Hello folks, what we're looking at today is the daily quarantine that will be coming in for the VIPRE email security product. A couple of things that you're going to notice immediately is of course the type of the emails coming through, of course subject lines, who originally came from, and several actions you're able to perform, such as previewing that email, allowing it, and releasing it. We also show, based off of the spam score, if it's a low threat, medium threat, or a high threat. High threat will not be able to be released from the product. You would need to contact your system administrator. By clicking on the preview button, it's going to bring you here. This will allow you to preview the message before releasing it to verify the content is something that you would want to receive in your inbox. Of course, you have the ability to see who it's from. Of course, you'll be able to tell the subject line, also be able to tell the contents of that email message. You're going to be able to release, allow sender, allow and release, and deny from this preview step. From time to time, you may want to check your quarantine messages that came in not just that day, but of course over the last 30 days, which the product will hold for you. You would want to log into portal.mailanyone.net. Put your email address in here, your password. First-time users will need to set a new password, so hit the Forgot Password option. Let's go ahead and log in. It's going to take you to the first tab, which is the Continuity tab. The Continuity tab will have content if your mail server is in a current outage situation and the email is being spooled. You'll be able to send and receive email during these outage situations. You have the ability to compose new messages at this time. You can certainly reply to any messages that are in there, forward any messages, or even replay them back to your inbox. You can also report any false positives here as well. The important tab here is also going to be the Quarantine tab. This is going to show your last 30 days worth of quarantine messages. They're going to be listed down here. You have the ability to delete any of these out. You could replay them back to your box if you'd like to get them back in your inbox. You can certainly release, allow, deny, and report any false positives directly from here. You also have the ability in here to view your allow and deny listing. By clicking on the allow list, you can see any that are already placed on there. You can certainly remove or add any one of these that you'd like. Same thing applies to the deny list. All you have to do is come up, add a particular email address, domain, or IP range that you would like to block. Moving down to the quarantine report, if your admin has given you the ability, you can adjust the times and you would like your daily quarantine report to be delivered to your inbox. You can deliver 7 days a week, up to 24 times a day. Clicking down on the filtering tab, you can see that the bulk mail option is turned on from your administrator perspective. This will catch those messages that would be considered bulk mail, such as newsletters or advertisements. Remember, if you do want to see any of them, you can certainly add them to the allow or deny list. You can do that via the email or coming in and logging into the daily quarantine. Thanks, folks. That brings us an end to our walkthrough of the end user experience on the VIPRE email security product.